In this video I'm going to show you how you can use your action button to open the camera app. So first you need to open the settings app and scroll down a bit, then you can see the action button. Open that. Now swipe left, then you can see the camera option. Now just minimize this. After this, when you want to open the camera app, you just long press the action button. Then you can see the camera was turned on. If you want to change this to selfie, click this. And if you want to capture the photo, just tap the shutter button or just press the action button single time. Here you can see. And if you want to switch to video, click this. If you press the action button, the video will start recording. If you want to save, again click. So it's saved. So it's so simple. So this is how you need to use action button to open the camera. And if you want to know more videos about iPhone 17, watch this playlist.